Hello, good morning. I crave buko juice. Ito yung nakita namin. Pinigay ito ni Mommy. And this one, ito yung kanya. And it's coconut water. No sugar added, no preservative, no artificial colors, gluten-free. It's 100% coconut water. Yes. Yan siya. Wala ka mabilang buko juice dito. Ito lang. Nakaganito yung buko juice. So, I think it's good naman. Tikman natin. This one. Ito yung kanyang consistency. It's just parang water talaga. And mabango ng konti. Ayan, tikman natin. It's coconut water. Pero mas hindi ganun ang lasa niya. Pero okay pa rin. It's coconut water. Ganito yung buko juice dito. And this is my tombs. Hello, say hi to them. Hi. Say hi, come on. It's morning here. Say hi. That's good. Isa tulog eh. Say hi. Come on. Suplado na. And that's it. This is good for hydration.